In this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your bone rewards when you're wolfing and farming your actually pairings. We're going to do this step by step, so you want to pay attention because this is going to be fun. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Let's go ahead and do this step by step. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into shibaswap.com, and you come to a page that looks like this. Now, the next thing you want to do, make sure you connect it with a wallet. We're connected with our Coinbase wallet, but we can be connected with any of these wallets as long as it is attached to the pairings we have already did. So, going to the Coinbase wallet, that's the one I've been working with this wolfing pairing. The next thing I want to do is go to farm tokens. So, I've got my cell phone right here connected. I'm connected to the Wallet Connect. And now, or the Coinbase wallet, now I'm looking at my pairings that I use this for the wolfing. Let's go to leash and bone. Now, how did I get to the 178? The first thing I did was add liquidity, and I made sure when I add liquidity, then I made sure the leash and bone combination equal, they match. So if I have a $100 value in leash, it'd be a $100 value in bone. So they definitely have to match. And how I did this, let me go ahead and click on add liquidity. What I did this is I made sure this matched together. So it says bone per leash, leash per bone. So it has to be equal match. So that's how I added liquidity to this to make this a pairing. Then what I did was I added deposit, and then that was it. First, I approved it and added deposit, and then that's when the rewards begin to happen. But in this video, we're going to claim this right now. Okay. When I click on Wolf, it says 178, and then it says confirm on phone. Now I'm getting my notification to let me know they're getting ready to basically charge me some fees. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this transaction. I'm gonna tell you transparent, it is $28 for this showing. This is basically, I want to show you how to do this. Normally I do this late at night, but I want to go ahead and show you what the fees will be. $28 is right there as well, as you see on the screen as well. So we're going to go ahead and confirm that. And then the next thing what it's going to do, it's going to ask me to put my PIN number in there. Okay. So I'm going to put my PIN number in there. And so the next step is it's going to be pending. So the transaction is pending right now. It's getting things ready, getting the juices ready. It's getting ready to charge so we can wolf these bones out. Now, the only thing about this 178, we're not going to get the full 178. We're only going to get 33% of this. So if I go to here, if I go to view on explore, it's going to verify. I get a chance to verify the information. It says success right there. And here's all the previous transaction information on this Etherscan. So let me go back to here. So now it's funny that I just wolfed those bones out. And then look at this. It's already started over again. This is a powerful mechanism that ShibaSwap has. Now, the wolfable bone here actually moved up too, because this was a lower amount. Now is a bigger amount. Because remember, only 33% I'm able to actually use right now, and 67% goes into the system here. And I won't have access to this until January. So let me go back here and I'll show you what those bones are. So when I wolf those bones to claim those rewards, I can do a few things. I can cash them out. I can swap them for something else. So I can swap those bones for something else. I really can. I can find another pairing and dig those bones along with another asset. Or then I can just go ahead and bury them. So let me go back here, bury bones. And then right here, it is getting ready to load up for me. So let me see here. So see, it seems like it's loading up. Give it a few seconds. Give it a few minutes. Bury bones. Let me go ahead and refresh this. And this makes it really, really powerful because I've got some basically choices to do with these bones. Now it says 61 tokens in here. 61 tokens. Page is reloading up again. 61 tokens. Remember, I'm only able to get a smaller amount of tokens. Remember that 178 is not 178, it's 61. So basically, I was only able to get 33% of that 178. Now, originally, I had 2 bones already in here already. So basically 2 plus 59. that's what I got in terms of what I can work with. Just to let you know, you're gonna have 33% when you wolf these bones out. Immediately, 33%, is it 33%? 30, is it 33%? Yeah, 33%, and then 67% is locked into the system. So this 61 here, what I could do, I can stake these 100% of them, which we planning to do. Let's stake these bones. I'm gonna stake them. Here's MetaMask. Okay, so it set me up my MetaMask, so I'm gonna change back to the Coinbase wallet. It defaults to MetaMask sometimes, so just make sure you be careful on exactly what that's doing. So it does that a lot when I'm doing this. So let me go back here. I'm gonna stake all 61 of these, confirm on my phone, and it's giving me the notification. This is only $8.31, so it's a little bit less. $8.31, that's what's going to be the fees. We're going to confirm that right now. And here's the PIN number. Once again, it gives me a PIN. I'm not necessarily worried about the fees on this situation. It's because we've had enough Ethereum to cover it. And the burying part, I'm in here for the longer run. And I believe the bone, to me, I think bone's going to continue going up and up. It's going to eventually surpass the fees I've been paying. So that's how I look at it. Plus, I budget out fees. So fees, in my opinion, is a bill, like a cell phone bill, the water bill, the insurance bill, the fee bill. So here we go. So Dog Yard enter, view on Explore. It looks like that's been confirmed. The green success. All successful here today. So all those bones has been buried. Now we have 1107. Our plan is to get to around 2,000 bones in the next few months, and we're planning to get that done. I believe with this strategy in terms of wolfing them and burying them and always accumulate when things are down, I think we can get there to 2,000 bones buried. That's my goal. Always have a goal, not financial advice, but always have a goal what you're trying to do. How many bones you're trying to bury, and have a place where you plan to have them. I plan to have 2,000 bones buried in the next 60 days. That's just my plan. That's a plan that I'm planning to do. I like the APY. It's very, very high. And so I'm trying to take advantage of the opportunity. So there you have it. That's how you do it. Watch this video a few times. If you have any problems in terms of, wolfing your bones out and then burying those bones. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the link below. Take advantage of the Shiba Swap, and also take advantage of other interesting and fun things in that description box. You may like it. I'll see you on the next video.